Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna teach you how to play the ukulele.
Welcome to Basti's world!
So you put your finger right there and then put your other finger in there and then on the last. That's easy. Wait. Next one, I will show you the G chord. So you put your finger there, and then there, and then there. See? And this is how it sounds. Next, I'm gonna show you the A minor. There you go. And put your finger right there. And this is how it sounds. Next one is the C chord. C. That's the C chord. That is the chord. This is how it sounds. Next, I will teach you the E minor. Put your finger there, and there, and the E minor, and this is how it sounds. Next, I'm gonna show you the F. Put your finger right there, and then right here. How it sounds. And that's how you play the G, C, D, E minor, A minor, and F. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.